guys, and welcome to another really brilliant product. Right here we have a masterpiece desk, school furniture made for a top school right here in Douala Cameroon. Now this piece is 100% manufactured by us, Maison Moderne, right here in Douala Cameroon, Africa. Now this piece is going to be going to our customer at some point tomorrow. We have nearly 100 of these pieces going out as a trial piece for some of the classes they want to sample, and I just want you to look at it and tell me what you think. Leave a comment below, tell us what you think about this product. Here we've made this with top-notch, scratch-free, high resistance Formica, which has a smooth surface in wood finishing, and we've used the same piece right here on the back of the chairs. As you can see down here as well on the seat, we've done the same thing. Now one thing I want to tell you is that we have actually manufactured this piece with 100% good wood. Why? Because we are in Africa where wood is very available. Now this is not plywood, this is hardwood, because kids in schools could be a little bit careless sometimes. They will knock the chairs over, they'll push it around, they'll scratch it. Now if you do this with plywood, then it's not gonna last. We did this with hardwood. Now every piece of wood that's used on here on this furniture is made with hardwood. Now you can see that we have some nice designs outside here, the finishing as well on the corners. As you can see going around here, all these corners, you see it's very smooth and perfectly done. The desk has a very good height, so children in primary school who generally will not be as tall as adults, but the chair is comfortable for them. Now if I sit down, for example, you see I will struggle a little bit. My feet, if I were to put my feet under, you'll see that the desk is suspended under. If my photographer could show this, you see my feet being under is higher. So kids will sit here without any problem because this piece is designed for children. Now you will also notice that on this end here we have used some blanking caps here so that kids will not hurt themselves. Now at the bottom as well of the chair, you see we've used blanking caps here so that it will not be destroying the floor, neither will it be making noise when it's being used. Here we have some of the pieces which we're going to be putting or installing on some of the chairs up here at the back and at the bottom of the furniture as well. So this is very simple because we know exactly what our customer wants. We try to tailor our products to meet the needs of our customer. Now there is another set of chairs and desks we're going to be doing. If you look here, you will see there's some single sets here, and on this side you see they have other single pieces as well that are going to be going out. We have the frames done, ready to go. We're going to be painting these at some point, and we're going to be fitting the Formica at the top of it. Now this piece is very professionally done, and this could be you. Now do you have a piece of furniture you want made at home, in your office, anywhere? We do all types of furniture, whether it's metal work, woodwork, whether it's beds, sofas, dining tables, whatever it is. Drop a message, like this video, share it. Let's together build the Africa that we love. Peace and ciao.